Hello, can I speak to someone about my appointment, please?
By the end of today, you will say that sentence perfectly. This is day 5. Let's start right now.
Sentence 1. Hello, who am I speaking with, please?
Hello, who am I speaking with, please?
Sentence 2. Hi, this is Michael calling.
Hi, this is Michael calling.
Sentence 3. Can I speak to the manager, please?
Can I speak to the manager, please?
Sentence 4. I am calling about my appointment.
I am calling about my appointment.
Sentence 5. Could you please hold for a moment?
Could you please hold for a moment?
Sentence 6. Sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you say that again?
Sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you say that again?
Sentence 7. Could you speak a little slower, please?
Could you speak a little slower, please?
Sentence 8. Can you spell that for me, please?
Can you spell that for me, please?
Sentence 9. Let me write that down quickly.
Let me write that down quickly.
Sentence 10. I am sorry, but the line is very bad.
I am sorry, but the line is very bad.
Good. You are halfway through. Keep going. Sentence 11. Can I leave a message, please?
Can I leave a message, please?
Sentence 12. Please tell him I called.
Please tell him I called.
Sentence 13. Can you ask her to call me back?
Can you ask her to call me back?
Sentence 14. My phone number is 555-1234.
My phone number is 555-1234.
Sentence 15. What time should I call back?
What time should I call back?
Sentence 16. I will call again tomorrow morning.
I will call again tomorrow morning.
Sentence 17. Thank you for your help today.
Thank you for your help today.
Sentence 18. Is there anything else I need to do?
Is there anything else I need to do?
Sentence 19. Okay, I understand. Thank you very much.
Okay, I understand. Thank you very much.
Sentence 20. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Those were all 20 sentences for day 5.
Quick review. Try to say each sentence before we do.
Hello, who am I speaking with, please?
Hi, this is Michael calling.
Can I speak to the manager, please?
I am calling about my appointment.
Could you please hold for a moment?
Sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you say that again?
Could you speak a little slower, please?
Can you spell that for me, please?
Let me write that down quickly.
I am sorry, but the line is very bad.
Can I leave a message, please?
Please tell him I called.
Can you ask her to call me back?
My phone number is 555-1234.
What time should I call back?
I will call again tomorrow morning.
Thank you for your help today.
Is there anything else I need to do?
Okay, I understand. Thank you very much.
Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Those were all 20 sentences for day 5.
Replay this episode and practice these sentences until they feel natural.
Tomorrow is day 6. We will practice sentences for ordering food at a restaurant.
Like the video and subscribe to QLip English.
See you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Bye.